How to invest in real estate with no money. This is the Pablo Henrique channel. Like and subscription is not requested, it is conquered.
Today we are talking about how to invest in real estate even with no money. Okay, this is for me, one of my most passionate topics because the first $1 million that I made in real estate happened with barely $10,000 out of my own pocket. And today and since then I've been buying real estate and I don't put my own money into it. I'm going to show you how to do it because I'm super excited to share with you how you and I, people you know, can start partnering on all the excessive deals. Someone's gotta take them. It's like melting ice cream and I'm dishing it up for you. Today is a good day. Do you know why? Because I love it when a home sells and then I get to receive a distribution check on it. But it's cool for another reason. Check this out. This is a check made out to my business partner, my father-in-law. Matt King. He's the first of dozens of partners that I have doing real estate with me. That is a $59,000 check, $978. So almost $60,000. Okay, his original investment on this house with half of that. $30,000. So he gets his money back, he nearly doubles it, in the time that we held that house. But you know what the coolest part about these is? I also got a check, and do you know how much mine is for? Almost the same amount minus the principal. He put in the money, he put in the credit. What did I put in? Well, I'm the partner. I didn't bring money to the table, he didn't bring credit to the table. I put the deal together and I managed the deal and they made it happen. Today, as I talk about how to make money and invest in real estate with no money, this check is one of those happy things. Well, today I'm going to give you the nitty-gritties on how you invest in real estate without any money. To get checks just like that. Okay, there's a couple things at play. Number one, you're going to need the deals. The what? You're going to need access to deals that people want. So the deals got to be good, they can't be mediocre, they can't be bad. And then the second thing that you're going to need is you're going to need money. Because by the way, it takes money to make money. But it doesn't have to take your money. Number three, there's some knowledge. You can't speak knowledgeably about real estate, then that's going to hurt you for the strategy that I want to give you, because if you watch some of my other videos, I've shown you how I bought my very first property and use it to buy my second. I bought my third and then I got stuck, and my father-in-law, who thought I was once crazy for buying all of this real estate while in college without having a job or direction in life and knowing what I wanted to do, didn't have my career mapped out, those kind of crazy. But when I got this fourth house, I had over 2 years of track record. He watched what I was doing and he asked me what I was doing, and when he looked about our ROIs, you know, he noticed, this kid is kicking trash. So you know what he decided to do? He said to say, let me fund your next deal, let's go in and partner 50-50. How do you walk into a situation like that? Because here's what I had: I have the deals, he have the money, and I have the knowledge. And the knowledge and the deals are really valuable. The money is also valuable. So what we did is we ended up putting together a relationship where we were each going to be 50-50 owners in this entity, and my job was to bring the deals, and the new team, and the knowledge, the management, the active work. And his job was to bring the money and credit. One of the things that I do with my private clients, I've got my own private educational community that anyone in their world can participate in, because it's all jacked in and streamed live to me, and I do my weekly calls and I do my monthly meetings with people. Here's the number one thing in real estate that I'm teaching. The number one thing is, he personally right now have a team and I've got an excess of deals. That means more deals than I can do, and I'll show you how to find the people that have the money. In fact, I'm going to give you a bonus and do a little bit right now. And if you come and be a part of his team and get knowledge, here's what happen: he'll show you where to find the money, he will give you the deals, and you make for yourself a 50/50 partnership with somebody else. He really out of the loop, he just there to help you along. I'm here to contribute. I'm here to leave legacy. People do pay to join his community, and you can learn about that if you click the link below credits. But the thing that I'm doing today is I'm lining up the deals of the people and the money and saying now go be fruitful and multiply and make this thing happen. So a couple things that are important: I access the best nationwide deals. These videos show you how to go find them, but I have an excess of these and I can give them to you. Number 2, how do you find the money? People think this is the hardest part. Oh, in our world, in our technology today, this is the easiest part. Like, let me just give you one tiny eensy-weensy little bitty strategy, but you guys say please. Alright, good. So here's what I want you to do. Take your Facebook page, alter your mental privacy settings to say I'm not going to let people in my life instead of just friends, everyone up to 5,000 people, and I want you to go find forums where people invest in real estate. Go find local groups in your area where people are putting up money and trying to like your local REIAs, your real estate investment associations. Go to them, join them, and then go friend all of those people. And if you were to keep doing this and finding all of these high interests, similar interest groups, you could get 5,000 people within 6 to 12 months on your friend list. And then 2 times a month drop an awesome headline like this: just found another crazy deal with my power team and buddy Krish Krohn, and I'm looking for someone who wants to jump in on this one right now. You probably need $30, $40, $50,000 and it's a smoking hot deal. Message me if you want more info. And you know what happen? You're going to people commenting, asking questions. You bring them to my table and my coaches, our team will put the deal together, and guess what? You're doing deals, you're using their money, you're a 50% owner, and all you needed up front was the right system. Friends, this is my #1 favorite system. Now these are principles you can apply as things in your life, but seriously, I've got all of this already hooked up for you. You just got to ask to learn more about it and see if it's a fit. I hope you've enjoyed today's video. Now watch this video right here for you to learn how to make big money. Videos every day at 8 p.m. Watch this video right here. Thank you so much everyone for watching. My name is Pablo Henrique and I'll see you in the next video.